Hi, this is Raghwinder Singh. I am faculty in School of Arts and Sciences. I work in the area of atomic and molecular physics. In physics teaching lab, we follow very different pedagogy. Instead of using standard experimental setup, we encourage our students to build their own experimental setup. For example, in a EM lab, our student build this setup. This is called Helmholtz coils. So in this experiment, student show the superposition of a different magnetic fields. So this setup is designed by our students. They calculated the thickness of wire, the diameter of the coils, and all this work is done in the university workshop.